could keep going, but you've just got to learn when to stop. And I think that's now. It's Halloween again, and this time I'm putting down the pumpkins and I'm painting a mural instead. So if you saw my last video, I built a fake wall and painted my first mural. Now I've painted over it, thinking of doing like a Halloween sort of design for this one. Today we're spray painting over it, and I'm going to transform this wall into a Halloween design. So my initial thoughts was to do like a skeleton man.
Oh, get out, skeleton man!
Just for the Halloween vibe, and include a beetle guy in a little Halloween costume, just sat on his shoulder. I did find a bunch of old spray cans that I figured I'd try and use up for this project. Just a few different colours that I don't normally use, but they could work quite well for a Halloween design. So I'll be trying them out. Definitely expired, that one. A little bit left in it. Maybe I could just use it for the outlines. Let's do that. I think that will do it. Oh, it's definitely not doing very good things. Oh, look at that. That's why they expire. I'll not use that. Right, best get another purple. This is out of date as well. Super. Quick tip that I use whenever I'm making art is to take a photo and flip the canvas. Give it a flip. Oh yeah, his eyes are a bit crazy. And that way you can see any imperfections in your work. So there's something about seeing your art from a different perspective that just helps. That's better. So now I'm happy with the lines, we'll get onto the colouring. Got this orange. I thought it'd be nice for the Halloween-y vibe. It's very light, I reckon. I'm not sure how faithful. Just thought I'd spray paint in. You can just cover it over. It's over. So, I've just been thinking about it, and I really want to bring back the orange that I bought specifically into the design. It's just a bit more Halloween-y and seems like a waste. So I put the design into Fresco just to try and get an idea of what the colours would look like, just as like a template, and just to remove any of the elements that I wasn't sure about. The ghost seemed a bit distracting, so I've just got rid of the ghost. And then I've added some cobwebs in, and yeah, just try to make it work with the orange really. So hopefully it'll come out like this. Yeah. So instead of all the yellow, I'm going to try the powder orange, or power orange. Let's give it another go. I'm just going to give it a second chance. Get rid of the ghost. It's just a bit too distracting. Try and get some nice clean lines. So I want to do some like cobwebs instead of the ghost. So I've got my guide. from the iPad. That's my centre line. I think it's done. I could keep going, but you've just got to learn when to stop. And I think that's now.